Are you looking to send professional customer statements in QuickBooks Online but not sure where to start? Whether you're managing overdue invoices or just keeping your clients updated, creating statements is a simple yet powerful feature. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to create and customize statements in QuickBooks Online so you can get paid faster and keep your accounts crystal clear. Let's dive in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, go to Sales, then select Customers. This is where you'll find all your client profiles. Now, locate the customer you want to create a statement for. Click on their name, and in the top right corner, you'll see an option called Create Statement. Once you click it, QuickBooks will give you 3 statement types to choose from. Balance Forward shows the starting balance, all transactions, and the ending balance. Open Item lists each open invoice individually. Transaction Statement displays transactions from a specific date range. Pick the one that best suits your needs. For overdue invoices, the Open Item statement is usually the most effective. Next, choose the statement period. You can set it to the current month, a custom range, or even all outstanding transactions. Before sending, always review the details. Make sure the customer's email is correct, the amounts are accurate, and any notes you want to include are added. QuickBooks allows you to customize the email message as well. A short, polite reminder works best if payment is overdue. Finally, click Save and Send, and QuickBooks will email the statement directly to your customer. You can also download or print it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully created a statement in QuickBooks Online. This simple process helps you stay on top of your receivables and ensures your clients always know where their accounts stand. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover more advanced features. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.